Okay, getting tired. 3:30 now almost. Let's see if I can get this thing to put together in another hour or so. Get out before the sun comes up. Yeah, we'll see if that happens. Okay, cranks true, cases are ready to go together. I was debating on whether to do the cam bearings. I decided to leave it alone. We're going to run the stock cams over there for now, or baby ass stupid cams. We can always upgrade these later if we upgrade the cam. So I'm just going to go snout this thing up and run it the way it is. The bearings feel fairly good, so no way of knowing how much metal's been into them. We know there's been a lot of metal in the motor, but we'll see. Okay, what's left? Put a little oil in the crank over here. Get the bearing surface lubed up. Oh, there goes Scooby again. Fireworks. You don't like that. You didn't like that, Scooby? She's been hounding me all night. You're just starting to leave me alone. Now he's back again. Yeah, that's right. It's been about 4 hours since adding fireworks go off. Okay, I'll go ahead and 3-bond up the K-slips here. Oh, yeah, I'm a little tired for some reason. I think it's my bedtime yet. That's at least two more hours minimum. Probably 3. Okay, so we can go ahead and snot these things out. So we just put a little 3-bond like that on everything. One thing about being real early like this in the morning, I don't get too many interruptions. I don't think I've had anybody come in after 1 a.m. I think it's the latest I've had anybody come in. Harley uses a nice rough-ass machine here to machine marks to help hold the sealer. I still try to get a good finish myself. If you're using good sealer, it should stick on smooth surfaces. How you doing, Scooby? Yeah, good boy. Well, that is rough as a cob there. The other side wasn't this rough. That thing's so damn rough I might leak past the grooves. Yeah, this whole case is a lot rougher than the other side. Oh well, Harley has a theory. Sure, it's a good one. Alright. Almost done. Not you, Scooby, me. Alright. Oh, forgot something. Forgot to lubricate the seal. Makes things work a lot better when you put a little oil on these. Alright. As you do the left crank first. Wonderful. Stupid washer came out. Pulling around, hold up a 40-pound crank and go over a stupid washer without losing all my sealer. It went in that time. Let's see if we can make gravity help us a little bit. Alright. Always help to let gravity help you a little bit. Okay. I'm going to put the other half on. I'm going to grab a hold like a regular motor. Slips right together. Okay, I don't need this no more. Alright. Let's see, all the bolts the same length. Appear to be all the same. Oh, good, we had all the bolts too. That's a big plus. Okay, let's tighten these up. Got my new zip gun in. Had to break down and spend $200, so. Oh well. Doesn't sound like the old one, so I'm not sure how much torque it's putting out. Sound very good. That one sounded better. All right, I don't know how tight that was. Let's see if I can hurt myself. Yeah, it's tight. Yeah, it's good. Yep. 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 Oh yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think we got that one already. Appear to be tight. Okay. Jeez. Got it in play. Good thing it pulls in against this side. Damn. It's enough to get in trouble. Let's see, does it rotate freely? Oh, it seems to rotate nicely. Clean up the mess here before I start getting all over the rods. Wipe up all the goo. Especially the O-ring lip. Three bone, just rub on a little bit and it rubs off. Kind of goes away. I'm going to get goop way up there. Must have been on my finger. Yeah. Alright. Check the gasket surface over here. Lots of goo clean. Alright, I guess we'll be back for goo clean.